That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with him. Catch me in the whip, ride with him. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with him. Hi guys. I've not seen you guys in a minute, but hey, what's up? Hello, it's your girl Ken, and I'm back with another video. If you are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. For all my old heads, of course, welcome back. So, you guys, I'm going out of town this weekend. I'm going to Dallas, and today is Wednesday. I leave early Friday morning. So, today's my off day, and I have so many errands to run. Y'all, I've been sleeping all day. I was supposed to have got my day started at least by 9, 10 o'clock. It's almost 4. Anyways, girl, so on the agenda for today, I am about to go get something to eat because I have not eaten all day, and I just want to treat myself because why not? So we're gonna go get something to eat. I need to go to the nail shop to get my toes done. I need to go get some travel size stuff and some makeup. We need to do a Sephora and an Ulta run. Come home, we need to pack. We need to pack, we need to clean the house, we need to put clothes up, we need to wash clothes. Yeah. And we need to refresh this hair. Oh, we gotta do maintenance, regular maintenance. That's the whole point. Girl, we gotta do nails, all that. So, it's given we gonna be on the move till about 12. I also need to shoot some content because I have a lot of packages that I'm looking at right now that need to get done. So, yeah. So come on, guys, let's go because I was supposed to go, but I wanted to make sure that I had a list of everything. Y'all, my house looks a mess. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that, but my house literally looks a mess. But anyways, girl, let's go.
Tryna get the party lit for the bitches. Them Nike tights is hooking on it.
Okay, guys, I came to Ulta. I got a MAC pencil because I lost mine at Beyonce. What the fuck? I'm still mad about that, actually. I feel like some other stuff I needed to get out of here. Not NARS. NARS MAC. They sell Elf here. Remember the last time? I don't think I vlogged, but it was just one time I came to Ulta and I was looking for this and they didn't have it. So, but I'm trying to see. Y'all know I wear Maybelline, and my Maybelline is, to me, it's very, very dark. It be looking good, but it's so dark. So I'm like, I wonder if I get a lighter shade, but the next lighter shade is 340. I wear 355, even though I'm very light skinned. I just want something that's gonna match me, but it's not gonna make me look super duper crazy because I have one that, like, I used to wear my actual skin tone and I be looking so light. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Maybe I should just stick with my 355, huh? I'm scared. They got a mirror right here. Yeah, I think I should try it. I don't know, I'm gonna ask the guy. Yikes. Okay, I left Ulta. I'm about to go get my toes done because, yeah, they look a mess. But I think I'm gonna do just regular pink toes. Just something cute. Cute little pink color. Hey, how you doing? Came to Sephora. I'm looking for Laura. I came to Sephora because I need to get some one size setting spray. I'm really just looking around to see if they have a skin tint because I want to try skin tint instead of like actual foundation because foundation is so heavy. So she said Milk and Laura. I don't see Laura, I see Milk. But I was a little scared about that. You're fine. I'm sorry. Where's the one for Laura Mercier? The one for Laura Mercier? Please. Thanks. Is the milk one the one in the like the same looking bottle over there? Yeah. That's the milk one? Okay. Okay. I'm just checking it out to see if I like it. And yeah, we'll just see where it goes. Okay, y'all, this is the skin tint. This is the Laura Mercier, but it's this one. Whatever this one is. That's the one I'm putting on right now. And it blends. Like really, really good. Can you see? Okay, y'all. I came to Walgreens to get... I need some... Girl, they ain't gonna do nothing with this stuff, no way. I came to get some stuff. Duh, Kennedy. I think I'm gonna get Cresco. They got this loud ass music. They really piss me the fuck off around here. I came to get that and some travel size stuff because I need some lotion, and I feel like something else, but I can't remember. I would just like to say the management here at this Walgreens is horrible. The management, the staff, they're horrible, okay? Very mean, very rude, okay? Just in case, you see? No work, no vision. But in all seriousness, I'm looking for... Oh, y'all, my stomach hurt. Oh my gosh, I'm cramping. Oh, I don't like that. I'm looking for some lotion. I was looking for the baby lotion, but they don't sell it here. So yeah, pretty much. I think I got everything I'm gonna get up out of here. Like, I got the what is it? EOS Vanilla Cashmere lotion, the little small one. So yeah, that's what I'm just gonna use because they don't have the one that I want. Yeah, I think this is my last stop for the day. I shouldn't have no more shopping to do. I need to go pack because, yeah, what the fuck? Not in your walk. You're gonna get fired.
Oh,
If you're wondering where I am, I'm in the hospital. It is, oh, I don't have my watch. It's almost midnight. I have to be at the airport for 5. And I'm in the emergency room. Anyways, girl, my hair, my nails, my brows, not done. So I'm about to do that while I'm waiting on them, cause yeah, I don't got time, baby. I got a purse. I never played. I did forget some of my nails though, so I'm a little scared. Ain't got no plug around it, bitch. Anywho, so yeah, that's what we finna do. I'm over here hooked the hell up, looking crazy, girl. I would just like to say, I had McDonald's last night, and let's just say that McDonald's in my older age is no longer my bestie boo. So, you know, nothing beats a Jet 2 fucking holiday. So,
said she was?
I was only asking because I mean normally I do. My back was still my back was still hurting. Normally like when I come and I have this issue, they give me like morphine, put me on the IV, and all that good stuff, and then normally like they give me some type of pain meds after that so that I won't be in pain.
You got Ketorolac, you got Toradol earlier?
Huh?
They gave you some pain medicine earlier at like 11 o'clock.
They did?
Uh-huh.
What they gave me?
Toradol.
Oh, they normally don't give me that. Normally they give me morphine. Okay, I was just asking because my back was still hurting.
Okay.
So
But no, she didn't give you anything. She didn't send anything for you.
I didn't know if I needed something else because I don't want to be in pain.
Do you want me to see if she wants to give you something else? But she referred you to a general surgeon.
She did.
Yeah.
And we talked about that. I probably should have asked her why she was here. It slipped my mind.
I'm sorry, baby.
Okay. Maybe I'm just hungry.
There's a man selling barbecue outside. It smells actually good.
Well, she's not going to let me eat that.
All right, babe.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
You want to take it off?
Oh, yes, but oh.
No, I'm asking, do you want to do it? Okay. Thank you. Hold it tight for me so that it doesn't.
Okay, y'all. I forgot to update y'all, but I'm at the airport, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off right here, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which is gonna be a fun one. So yeah, until next time, bye.